Are those all cash deals or financed? Nope. We finance everything with cash, other people's cash. So what we do is we finance the purchase price plus the rehab costs. We use private lenders. Generally, our loans are 10 to 12% interest only. We get the properties, we acquire them, we rehab them, we rent them out. Once they've been rented out for 6 to 8 months, we do a refinance with a traditional bank. The formula that we use to buy these properties is we want the purchase price plus the rehab cost to be less than 75% of the after repair value. That way, whenever we go to refinance with a traditional lender, we package a group of these properties together and refinance at somewhere between 70 and 75% loan to value. And that allows us to not have any of our money into these properties. And then the private lenders that we have, generally, they are some friends, family members, people that we have a very good relationship with that want to get this 10 to 12% return. It's interest only, paid on a monthly basis. So it's a fantastic return for them. And it's assisting us in building our portfolio. Once we refinance, we pay off those initial private lenders, and then we check with them before each refinance to see if they want either their funds back to do something else with, or if they want to continue to invest with us. At that point, if they want to invest with us, we will allocate those funds to another property and keep it moving.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.